Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Snowflake and Snowpark Python, Episode 10 of 17. What if you could query a PostgreSQL database from inside your Snowflake Python script? Normally, moving data from an operational database to Snowflake requires an external middleman. You set up an extraction tool on a separate server, manage credentials, stage files, and schedule jobs just to get your data ready for analysis. Ingesting external data directly via Snowpark Python resolves this by removing the middleman entirely. This approach allows you to simplify your data architecture. By leveraging external network access in Snowflake, your Python code can reach out directly to other systems. You can use standard Python DB-API libraries or JDBC drivers to connect to external databases right from a Snowpark stored procedure or user-defined table function. Consider a concrete scenario. You have a legacy on-premise PostgreSQL inventory database, and you need to join that inventory data with your live Snowflake customer tables. Instead of setting up a complex ingestion pipeline, you write a Snowpark Python stored procedure. Inside that procedure, you use a standard Postgres DB-API connector. You pass in your connection string, which references credentials securely managed by Snowflake. You open the connection, execute a standard SQL select statement against the external PostgreSQL database, and fetch the result set. Once the data is in memory within your Python function, you simply yield the rows back to Snowflake or convert them directly into a Snowpark data frame. You now have your external inventory data available as a native Snowflake object ready to be joined with your customer tables in a single query. The logic flows from the external operational system straight into your analytical environment, securely and without intermediate staging servers. That covers relational inputs. What about semi-structured data sources like nested files dropped in a stage? Snowpark also provides specific tools for parsing complex formats. A prime example is the XML rotog reader. When you need to ingest an unwieldy XML file, you do not have to write custom parsing logic to navigate the entire document tree. Instead, you specify a row tag. This is the specific XML element that represents a single record. You call the read method on your Snowpark session, set the format to XML, and provide the row tag parameter. Snowflake scans the document, identifies every instance of that tag, and extracts it as an individual row in a data frame. The complex hierarchy above and below that tag is flattened or packed into columns depending on your schema. It turns a nested text document into a clean, queryable table in one step. Here's the key insight. Whether you're opening a JDBC connection to an ancient on-premise PostgreSQL database or pointing a rotog reader at a nested XML file, you're consolidating your ingestion logic inside the data platform. You're turning integration problems into simple code execution problems. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.